Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are we going to learn today? Well, this is a special video. As you can see, I have completed 300 subscribers and today is a giveaway video where I will show you step by step tutorial how using AI we are going to make something very special. Every company requires a pay slip, right? So maximum times what they do is generate manual pay slips. Suppose there are 50 employees, 100 employees, it is a time taking job. Today I am going to show you how you can fully automate this entire thing, and as you type in Excel the salary sheet, automatically within seconds, no matter how much employees you have, the pay slips will be generated. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. I welcome you all once again, and today I have a very special video on use of artificial intelligence for we use almost every day at work. I am talking about generating pay slips at work. Very simple template. You can see that all the salaries are here and you just have to click on a button. First tell you a little bit basics and then I will show you how it is made, and all the files will be there in the link in the description so that you can download, and any queries you have you just type in the comments and I will try my best to solve each and every query. Well, I want to say one more thing, that I got the idea from another chartered accountant in a podcast where he had shown the entire thing. He had done through mail merge and other things, so I downloaded it and modified it my way using Chatgpt AI and did it very simple, right? Simple click of the button and everything will be done. So I'll show you how it works. Simple, I click on generate. You can see that there are gross salary, earned salary, basic, and there is name, month, everything, pen number, CEO, and also email ID. So just I click on insert pay slips, okay, and we move on to the folder and you can see the Word file is opening, and one by one every payslip is getting generated, right? Little bit 10 seconds 15 seconds it is taking, but much faster than our manual thing. At least we have to acknowledge that use of AI is really game changing. And you can see that there is 20 of there and count is 20 items selected. So we will cross check also John Smith at number 1, and I will open the PDF and we will cross check John Smith is at number 1, pen number P11A, 11A is there, yes. Date of joining 1424, 1424, present day is only 1. Oh, he's not a good employee. Anyways, present day is 1, okay. Similarly 98,800 is net pay, everything is almost there, okay. We can check for one more, suppose randomly maybe we can take the 7th one, Daniel Moore, I don't 7th or 6th. So Daniel Moore, okay, and you can see this line AAAPM 111A, okay. So Daniel Moore, you can see AAP 111A, and similarly date of joining is same, and net salary is 2,77,000. Oh, he's a high level employee. 2,77,000. So every single thing is generated using AI. How? Very simple. I have taken the sample data and just random names, pen number, designation, whatever we want, and what I did was, see this template.docx, okay. Template, I have created one template which we can change as per our need. So right, we can put the company logo, company letterhead, address, all this. What you have to do is very simple, one time activity. Whatever you have in Excel, the headings, whatever you want. Suppose I wanted pen number, so what I did, I wrote pen, and here within this signs I have written the pen number. Date of joining DOJ, designation, every single thing. In PF I have written PF, in professional tax I have written professional tax. You can see very simple, earned salary, basic, DA, whatever you want, okay. So this creates the format, and every time the VBA code, the Excel code, fetches the Word file and links the columns that are there and creates a PDF. So I hope you understand, and also I will tell you how in case you have to modify you can do that also, because the formats may not be same, because there may not be other allowance, or you may have got HRA, DA, whatever, right, PF, ESIC. I have taken sample data, and I will also tell you, don't worry, again I am saying that we can change it as per our requirement, okay. So now the biggest question, how I did it. very simple. Without knowing a single line of code, this is entirely done through ChatGPT. So what I have done, simple, in the free version of ChatGPT they've updated it, and now we can upload the files up to a certain limit every day, say 5 or 6 times you can chat in every day. So I have uploaded the payslips and everything. You can see the files I have deleted, okay, and payslips and template, simple, like we talk to a friend, we are talking to ChatGPT. I want a macro that should create all payslips for each employee separately on a click of a button. Nowadays everything I am getting lazy and I want on a click of a button, right? But why I should not do that? 2-3 hours of work if we can do on a click of a button, why we should not do that? So I would like to say everyone that use AI at work. It is accurate, time saving. Most importantly, these two factors drive our progress a lot, right? So using this Word and Excel file, can you check if they are mapped properly? Can it be done through VBA code? And then I have given the location, name of the Word file, Excel sheet and everything. So it read the file, okay, populate the Word template, save each populated template as a separate PDF file. Simple. It has given me the code, I have put it in Excel. But I want to say one more thing, that in the first time if you get correct prompts from ChatGPT, you are lucky, right? You can see, I will show you whatever mistakes it has done. It will do mistakes, okay, it's doing perfect, except that fields are mismatched. In PDF it was taking mismatch step, in PF it is showing net salary, in PAN number it is showing date of joining, like this. Can you check this Excel and the Word file that necessary changes need to be done? Again it gave me every list, yes, these all this, okay, and updated code, but it was not corrected. It has corrected a lot, but few heads are still mismatched. In designation it is choosing department, in serial number it is choosing email, and all this was happening. Not an issue. Again I have tried 3 to 4 times, and you can see again I gave it the list from the Word file that please correct accordingly, right? Column number I have given that in column A, in Excel it is column A, in the Word file it should be employee serial number. Like this I tried changing the prompts, okay. It is saying thank you but not completed our work, okay. Anyways, not an issue. Again I think this time super lovely, okay. I'm glad to hear it. Tell only one thing, what was the use of Word file here? Since I had downloaded it from somewhere, I was curious, why do we need the Word file, right? So simple answer is with ChatGPT. And has some mail merge or anything been done at the Word file? Because I had doubt that pre-installed Word file had some previous coding, but there is no such coding, right? So it is simple Word file. We can create our own template, our own design, and just link it with Excel, simple. So it is saying no, the Word template, the Word document includes placeholder, right? VBA code, there is no such VBA code, and this process resembles a mail merge. It is not a traditional Word mail merge. So earlier in the video that I had seen, they were using mail merge and all these things. I did it with simple VBA, talking to ChatGPT, right? So AI can be really wonderful, okay. No mail merge in Word template and everything, okay. Thank you so much. So 3 to 4 times I agree that you have to do the manipulations and all, but you have to stick to it. Whatever you need, you try different ways and ChatGPT is going to give it, okay. Now the thing is that what will happen if we change? Suppose I give here ESIC and something like this. First thing, you must change the Word file, right? Suppose there is empty space, or you don't want DA, you want something else, so you have to change this with the headings, okay. And second thing is very simple, go to ChatGPT and upload the files, latest files, and also the code. The code when you will upload as a text, then you can ask ChatGPT to change the code. You don't have to work hard again. This simple code I am giving in the text file, so you upload that text file also and tell ChatGPT properly that the headings have been changed and please change the code accordingly. That's it. And now there is a homework for you. What homework is there? Very simple. I purposefully also added dummy emails, okay, using ChatGPT only, no need of any other thing. ChatGPT and Excel, try to also mail them in one go, right? That whatever John Smith, our first employees there, if we can also mail them at johnsmith.yourcompanydomain, whatever, try it. Also, last one thing I want to add before saying bye, that if any one of you have any template ideas, write in the comments. We will contact you and maybe we can feature it here and help others, because these templates are going to save a lot of time. So that's all in this video, and I am waiting in the comments if you have any issue, if you want to change the columns or any type of issue. I will try my best to resolve the same. Hope you have learned something in this video, and with use of AI we can really do wonders. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep learning. You got some value out of this video. So don't forget to like the video in order to make YouTube Papa happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. That's all for today. See you in the next video.